Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon. Welcome to Paul's Monday Market Update, number 183 for the 12th of May 2025. As always, you are very welcome here, but just remember that you're always responsible for your own trading decisions. Okay, let's have a little look at charts of interest. These are some things that are either they're occurring or happening, or you can learn from, or you can add to your own particular watch list. This is Deutsche Bank, okay, and unusually, because normally I will have it on the weekly chart, but this is on the monthly chart here, okay, for Deutsche Bank. Now, I've been doing these kind of like market updates for about 5 years now, all right. And for those of you who've joined us from the start through them all, will know that I was not exactly the most how shall we say it, the most bullish or optimistic on Deutsche Bank for a good long time for many reasons. But yeah, a good trader has to basically trade what you see and change your view accordingly. And as you can see, for years, all right, for years, as I said, this is the monthly chart for years. Okay, Deutsche Bank, I think it peaked out around about 80 odd dollarish. This is the US listing. It peaked out around, I think, about 80 odd dollars. It might even be higher than that, but it just literally fallen to a sorry state here. Okay, and with the kind of COVID crash here, we were down around about $5. Okay, down about $5, and then we started to pull our way back up. Okay, and that was going okay, all right, until then we had the start of the war in Ukraine. But actually, as you can see, we had a sort of $10 was kind of like a pivot. All right, you can see there basically sort of resistance turning into support turning into resistance, support again. But then actually what we can see is that invariably, excuse my drawings, as I say, I'm a better trader than I'm an artist. Flag there, and as you can see, this year has been pretty good for Deutsche Bank. All right, it has pretty much accelerated from trading around $17. We're up there about 27. We'll be up a little bit in the pre-market there, okay, which is perhaps not as much as some of those US tech stocks will undoubtedly be up in the pre-market, but you can see for yourself on a monthly chart that is invariably that's particularly bullish. All right, and even with all of last month's shenanigans, you can see that big candle there, and we are still bullish on that. So you can find your own narrative and reasons for it. Ultimately, you have to trade what you see, and that is bullish. That has come from Stan Weinstein's, sort of kind of his basically stage ones. His stage one, we are most definitely into a stage two. All right, stage two trend. So you might want to watch that and see if there's an opportunity to take part of that.